10 Best Places to Visit in Italy. Welcome to a captivating voyage through the enchanting landscapes and rich cultural tapestry of Italy. Today we invite you to explore the 10 best places that this beautiful country has to offer. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the timeless elegance of Florence, the canal-laden streets of Venice to the breathtaking coastal vistas of Cinque Terre and the Amalfi Coast, each destination we uncover is a masterpiece in its own right. So, fasten your seatbelts and open your hearts to the magic that is Journey Through Italy, Unveiling Splendors. Your adventure begins now. Number 1. Rome, the Eternal City. Rome, often referred to as the Eternal City, is a captivating blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. Its iconic landmarks, such as the majestic Colosseum and the awe-inspiring Roman Forum, stand as testaments to its rich past as the heart of the Roman Empire. The city's cobblestone streets wind through neighborhoods like Trastevere, exuding a charming authenticity that captivates visitors at every turn. Yet amidst this historical grandeur, Rome pulses with life, an enchanting juxtaposition of bustling piazzas, fragrant trattorias, and lively markets. From tossing coins into the Trevi fountain to savoring mouth-watering pasta dishes, Rome offers an unparalleled experience that seamlessly weaves the past into the present. Number 2. Florence. Nestled along the banks of the Arno River, Florence is a city that has etched its name into the annals of history as the cradle of the Renaissance. The city's artistic legacy is showcased in the Uffizi Gallery, where masterpieces by the likes of Leonardo da Vinci, Botticelli, and Raphael adorn the walls, drawing art enthusiasts from around the world. The Florence Cathedral, with its magnificent dome engineered by Brunelleschi, dominates the city's skyline and serves as a testament to the ingenuity of the Renaissance architects. The Ponte Vecchio, a charming medieval bridge adorned with shops, spans the Arno River, offering breathtaking views of the riverbanks. Florence's profound impact on art, culture, and architecture is palpable at every corner, making it an unforgettable destination for those seeking to immerse themselves in the magic of the Renaissance. Number 3. Venice. A mesmerizing city of enchantment, emerges gracefully from the tranquil waters of the Venetian lagoon. Renowned for its intricate network of canals, the city offers a unique and romantic experience as you glide through its waterways on a gondola, passing under picturesque bridges and past historic palazzos. The heart of Venice, St. Mark's Square, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders, including the stunning St. Mark's Basilica adorned with intricate mosaics that tell stories of a bygone era. The Doge's Palace stands as a testament to the city's rich history, a blend of Venetian Gothic and Renaissance styles. The labyrinthine alleyways beckon you to get lost, revealing charming squares, hidden courtyards, and local artisans' workshops. Number 4. Cinque Terre. A string of 5 vibrant villages perched along the rugged Ligurian coastline is a true coastal gem that transports you to a world of breathtaking beauty. With their colorful houses seemingly clinging to the cliffs, these villages, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, paint a picturesque scene against the backdrop of the azure Mediterranean Sea. Linked by scenic hiking trails that wind through terraced vineyards and offer panoramic views of the coastline, Cinque Terre is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers alike. The charm of the villages lies in their simplicity. Number 5. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast, a masterpiece of nature's beauty and human ingenuity, is a stretch of coastline that unfolds like a painting of paradise. Clinging precariously to the cliffs overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, the Amalfi Coast is a collection of charming towns and villages that exude a sense of timeless elegance. Positano, with its pastel-hued houses cascading down the cliffs, captures the essence of Italian coastal glamour. Amalfi, a historic maritime town, boasts an impressive cathedral and a bustling piazza where locals and visitors alike converge. Ravello, perched on a hilltop, offers a tranquil escape with its stunning gardens and panoramic vistas. As you wind your way along the coastal road, every curve reveals new vistas of turquoise waters and dramatic landscapes. The scent of lemon groves fills the air, and the region's culinary delights, from fresh seafood to limoncello, tantalize your senses. The Amalfi Coast is a place where time slows down, allowing you to savor each moment and soak in the unparalleled beauty that surrounds you. Number 6. Milan. The dynamic and cosmopolitan heart of northern Italy effortlessly fuses history with modernity. As a global fashion and design capital, the city is home to world-renowned designers and luxury brands that line the elegant streets of the Quadrilatero della Moda. The breathtaking Milan Cathedral, or Duomo di Milano, stands as a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, its intricate spires and statues casting a mesmerizing silhouette against the sky. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a stunning 19th-century shopping arcade, showcases both Milan's historic grandeur and its contemporary flair. Milan's cultural scene is equally impressive, with art galleries, theaters, and museums that cater to a wide range of tastes. The Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper graces the walls of the convent of Santa Maria del Grazie, inviting art enthusiasts to witness this iconic masterpiece. Number 7. Tuscany. A picturesque region in central Italy, is a tapestry of rolling hills, historic towns, and timeless landscapes that have inspired artists and travelers for centuries. The region's charming countryside is dotted with vineyards, olive groves, and rustic farmhouses that create a postcard-perfect scene at every turn. Florence, the regional capital, is a cultural epicenter that houses some of the world's greatest art treasures, including the Uffizi Gallery and Michelangelo's David at the Accademia Gallery. Siena, with its medieval architecture and iconic Piazza del Campo, showcases the beauty of a bygone era. Exploring the charming towns of San Gimignano, known for its medieval towers, and Pienza, renowned for its pecorino cheese, offers a glimpse into authentic Tuscan life. Number 8. Pompeii and Herculaneum. Ancient Roman cities preserved in time by the devastating eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, offer a poignant glimpse into the lives of their inhabitants. Frozen in the moment of disaster, the archaeological sites reveal remarkably well-preserved streets, houses, and public buildings. Pompeii's grand amphitheater and the lavish Villa of the Mysteries provide insights into the daily activities and culture of the ancient Romans. Herculaneum, located closer to the sea, boasts luxurious villas with intricate mosaics and even carbonized wooden furniture, offering an intimate look at the domestic lives of the time. These archaeological treasures are not merely ruins, they are windows into a world long gone, a testament to the power of nature and a vivid reminder of the passage of time. Number 9. Sicily. The largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, is a land of captivating contrasts and rich cultural heritage. With its strategic location, it has been shaped by the influences of various civilizations throughout history. Palermo, the vibrant capital, blends Norman, Arab, and Baroque architecture, reflecting its diverse past. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento is a testament to the island's ancient Greek heritage, with its remarkably preserved temples standing proudly against the backdrop of the Mediterranean. Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, looms over the landscape, offering adventurous treks and spectacular views. Along the coastline, charming fishing villages like Taormina offer stunning vistas and opportunities to savor the island's renowned cuisine, which combines fresh seafood, citrus flavors, and traditional Italian dishes. Number 10. Verona. A city steeped in history and romantic allure, is forever immortalized as the setting for Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. As you wander its cobblestone streets, you'll encounter Juliet's house, complete with the iconic balcony that has become a symbol of eternal love. The city's Roman heritage is evident in the well-preserved Arena di Verona, an ancient amphitheater that still hosts opera performances and concerts today. Piazza del Urbi, the lively market square, is surrounded by medieval buildings adorned with frescoes, giving a glimpse into the city's past. The Adige River gracefully winds through the city, flanked by charming bridges that connect the different quarters. Verona's atmosphere is one of timeless elegance, where the essence of romance and history converge, inviting you to revel in the tales of the past while creating your own memorable moments. In the heart of Italy lies a tapestry of destinations that capture the very essence of its culture, history, and beauty. From the grandeur of Rome, where ancient ruins stand as a testament to the might of an empire, to the artistic allure of Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, each place offers a unique chapter in Italy's story. As you explore these 10 best places to visit in Italy, you embark on a journey that encapsulates the soul of a nation, a journey that resonates with artistry, history, and the enduring spirit of La Dolce Vita.